Hi guys, welcome to this video session. In this session, we will be discussing about abstract class. Abstract class is one of the important topics in this OOPS concepts in Java. So we'll be discussing this in detail. Firstly, what is abstraction? Abstraction is like showing only the functional details and hiding the implementation part to the user. A user is able to see only the functional details, functionality of an application, but not the implementation details. Is known as abstraction. So how can we implement abstraction? Abstraction can be implemented in two ways. That is by using abstract class, and the other is by using interface. Today in this video, we will be seeing about abstract class in detail. Okay. So firstly, how can we differentiate a normal class and an abstract class? Because in a Java program, there will be hundreds of classes. There are plenty of classes, right? So in those classes, how can we differentiate an abstract class? An abstract class can be differentiated by using the keyword abstract. See in this example, here the abstract class shape is abstract, so we are using the keyword abstract to differentiate with the normal classes. Okay, to implement these abstract class, we have a few steps to follow that we will be discussing it clearly here today. Okay, let's start. See, abstract class may or may not have an abstract method. Firstly, what is abstract method? A method without body or implementation is known as abstract method. See, what is an abstract method is it only has the declaration part, but it doesn't have the implementation details. See, in this example, we only abstract void print area, we only has a declaration part, but we are not implementing it, right? There is no implementation part for this in this class shape. So any method with only declaration but no implementation is known as abstract method. Okay, now we will be going to this point. In this, abstract class may or may not have an abstract method. See, the thing is, an abstract, any class which has an abstract method is known as abstract class. But abstract class may or may not contain an abstract method. Okay, are you clear? See, abstract, any class which is having an abstract method, at least one abstract method, is known as an abstract class. But an abstract class may or may not contain an abstract method. It might also have simple methods, right? So an abstract class may or may not have abstract methods. But if a class consists of at least one abstract method, then the class should be declared as abstract. If a class consists of at least one abstract method, then it should be declared as an abstract class. Okay, we have discussed this. A method with only declaration but no implementation is known as abstract method. And the next one, if a subclass extends or inherits a superclass, then all the methods in the superclass should be implemented in the child class. See, this is a parent class. Now, shape is a parent class. In this parent class, we are deriving these methods in its child class. Rectangle is one child class, and then triangle is one child class. We are implementing, like extending the properties of shape in rectangle and triangle. Okay, when we are extending the properties of a parent class, then we must declare all the abstract methods which are present in the parent class. Here, since we have only one, we are implementing this one. But if we have two, we should implement two. If we have n number of abstract methods, we should be implementing those all this n number of abstract methods. Clear, right? Child class which extends a parent class should implement all the methods which are present in the abstract class. Clear? If a subclass extends or inherits a superclass, then all the methods in the superclass should be implemented in the child class. Clear? And then we have other point. We cannot create an object of an abstract class, but we can create a reference. See, this is the whole point, right? Abstract classes, we cannot create the objects of abstract classes. See, it is simple, like if we can create the object, then we can call the methods too, right? Then what is the importance of this whole concept? There is no concept, right? So abstract method, if we are able to call the abstract method using these objects, then there is no whole point, right? So we cannot create the object, but we can only create the reference. And then we have abstract methods in abstract class are meant to be overridden. See, here I am creating, I am extending this class and using the same method name also, right? Here, this is the same method name. Here I am using, here also I am using the same method name. Here also I am using the same method name. That means I am extending the parent class and also using the same method name, right? This is known as method overriding, right? Using the same method name and then using extending the same, extending from the parent class and using the same method name. This is known as overriding, right? That is this point. Abstract methods in abstract class are meant to be overridden. Abstract class supports method overriding concepts. Clear, right? A method with only declaration but no implementation is known as abstract method. A method with only declaration but no implementation is known as abstract method. An abstract class may or may not contain an abstract method, but if the class contains at least one abstract method, then the class should be declared as an abstract class. Okay, then if the subclass extends the superclass, then all the methods in the superclass should be implemented in the child class or the subclass. Then we cannot create object of an abstract class, but we can create reference. And then we have abstract methods in abstract class are meant to be overridden. We can override it because we have same number of we are having, see, here we are having same number of parameters, same method name, and we are extending the subclass, right? This is abstract class implementation. So we should follow all these steps. Okay, clear, right? I hope this concept is clear. In next video, we will be seeing about interface. Hope you all are clear with this. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.